Arrive in style with this 2001 Mazda 626. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, variable speed intermittent wipers, power outlet, power mirror, cruise control, power door locks, automatic headlights, bucket seats, and keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.